Hey there guys, Pratyush here. Welcome to this brand new video, and in this video we are going to create a COVID tracker using Python. Now this will use a module known as COVID. Yes, there is a module known as COVID available on PyPI. You can download it directly from there, and I will be showing you the alternative way to create it. So basically, first of all, we will be downloading that module. So first of all, you visit this website given in the link below and type in COVID and then search. Now this will be the page after that, and you make sure that you should click that COVID 2.3.0 which has been developed by John and his colleagues. So after that been done, I will be showing you an alternative way to download it directly from your terminal. So here we are inside our computer, and I will be typing pip install COVID and then hit enter. And as you can see, the requirements are already satisfied for me and you need to download it. So basically just download it and let's start coding. So here we are, and first of all we need to import. So I need to import it. So from COVID import COVID. Now I will be typing in. First of all, we will be defining the country name that should be input by the user, and I will be trying to make a loop here. First thing will be details. Second thing will be the total active cases, and third one is the total confirmed cases. Fourth is the total recovered cases, and fifth one is to get the total death rate. And finally there should be a close option. So in this line of code I am just taking an input from the user that they may choose any one of these from 1 to 6, and I am starting a if loop here. If so, this is a function by that COVID that number of cases. You can just type in covid.getStatus by country name, that is CN. I have defined it in the input section here. So basically this is it, and now I'm printing that stuff. So in this, if the user will press 2, then it will show you the active cases, that are the total active cases in there. Now we will be printing it by print function. If the user will type 3, then it will show the total confirmed cases, and after that we need to print it. So print confirmed, this is the basic syntax. Now if the user types in 4 to get the recovered cases, we need to just write elif. If we import the 4, then the total recovered cases, and then we will be printing it out. So it will basically print the recovered. Now if he types 5, then it will give you the total number of death rate, and by this function you make sure to watch that whole documentation on their website which says get total recovered, get total death. These kind of functions are there, so you may sure to read that whole stuff. And I need to print that death. Now if we presses 6, then it will say thank you, and we will break the statement. So I have break the statement. If else, if there is nothing to say that he had input nothing from 1 2 3 4 5 6, then it will print an error. So it will say that print enter valid number from 1 to 5, or you can say 1 to 6, because their ending one is 1 to 5 means the ending one is thank you, that one. So it is basically closing it. So you can just type 1 to 5. Okay, so this is the basic syntax that you need to type. And after that been done, you need to just make sure that the function get total recover, get total death, these kind of functions are available on his website, and we are basically printing that stuff in the next statement. So let me just run it by saying that this should run again by saying that continue statement, and let's run it on our terminal. So here I am inside my terminal. Let me just open up that file. covid.py and hit enter, and it is saying enter your country name. So I will just type in India, and then it is saying me, so details, get total active cases, there are all the stuff working well. So let me just type in to get the total active cases, that is on number 2, so 2, and hit enter. Now it is saying 2.53 million, which is really correct at this time. So at this moment I have just really searched on YouTube and kind of the Google search. I got that the total number of cases are 2.53 million, really. So this is our basic application which we have created using Python. If you need the syntax and if you want more help on this, then you can get my GitHub page down below in our description. So you can get in our touch by our social media, Proxlite, and our Instagram, and there is our email proxlite02@gmail.com, and you make sure to like and subscribe this video even though to get more and more this kind of video, because the best is yet to come. Goodbye.